think we out of the loop in terms of how far this trial has gone now. Seemingly, the actual trial itself has not started. What's the latest?
I think it's fair to say it really has not started, but it's been a stop and start affair, Desiree, really from the time the case started about 5 years ago until now. I think you alluded also in your intro that the defense is saying that the state, under the leadership of prosecutor Advocate Ntwela, persuaded the witnesses to commit perjury. Now, how exactly did he do that? The defense brought forward emails between a former colleague of the case, Ishmat Confontaine, in a conversation with Advocate Ntwela, in which they allege that Ntwela conspired to remove critical information from this case and also persuaded the witnesses to lie on the box. Now, in this email, it is contained that 3 of the witnesses actually approached Serfontaine, asking them that they wanted to change their charge sheet a bit and add additional charges. Now, in the email which was brought forward by the defense, it is alleged that Ntwela actually said that let's not add these charges brought forward by these witnesses because they're going to affect the way in which this case is going to run in the favor of the defense. One of those witnesses, of the 3 witnesses, actually said that she wanted to change her charge to that of rape because, I quote, she said that she felt that it was rape because she alleges that Timothy Omotoso actually used his fingers to really penetrate her lower parts of her body. So she was saying that she wants to change her charges. And then Ntwela said, you know what, let's not change this charge sheet, because if we change it, it's going to change the nature of this case in the favor of the defense. So the defense has come forward and said that they want Judge Schoeman to actually declare this a mistrial, perhaps to completely collapse this trial or to restart it again. And Judge Irma Schoeman came forward and said, you know what, let me give the state 15 days to respond to this application, and then on the 23rd of May she will make her verdict, whether it is now warranted to be called a mistrial or the trial will be started all over again. Desiree.
So as things stand, does it look like the pastor has a strong case?
As things stand, it really does, because obviously you know that it is unlawful for a prosecutor to influence what a witness says on the stand, even more unlawful to witness them or to persuade them to lie on the stand, because that is a place where they swear that they are telling the truth completely. Also, it is also in his favor because these emails show clearly that this was a conversation between the prosecutor, state prosecutor Mr. Ntwela, and also Serfontaine, in which he blatantly says, you know what, let's not add this charge, because if we do add this charge, it is going to work in favor of the defense, something that's really unlawful. As things stand right now, I really could say that things are looking in favor of Pastor Timothy Omotoso.
So have you spoken to the victims? Their thoughts on this development?
No, obviously we don't have any privy to speak to the witnesses, but we did speak to the state, and they have said they don't have any comment for now. They want to read through the defense application, then in 15 days' time they will then give their response. Once they've read through the application, and then they will give their response concerning what they've brought forward.
Interesting developments, taking into consideration how this trial started. But thank you so much for bringing us up to speed, Lerato Fekisi, following that case for us.